Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Todoist. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Todoist works. So if you have no idea about Todoist and how to get started, then this video is for you. Todoist is a powerful task management tool that can help you stay organized and focused. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of Todoist, including how to create projects and tasks. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Todoist tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account, and if you already have an account, just skip this step. First, click on the Start for Free button. From there, you will be prompted to sign up using either your Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or email account. Choose the option that is most convenient for you and follow the instructions to complete the sign-up process. During the sign-up process, you will need to enter your profile name and personalize your account. This will help you to easily identify your tasks and projects within Todoist. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can start using Todoist to organize your tasks and improve your productivity. I created this new account for the purpose of explanation, so you can follow the steps with ease. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in Todoist, and then I'll show you how we can use Todoist. The Todoist dashboard is designed to be simple and easy to navigate. When you first log in, you will see a left-hand menu that contains different sections. These sections include the Inbox, Today, Upcoming, Filters and Labels, and Projects. The Inbox is the default home for new tasks that you add to Todoist. If you're not sure where to organize a new task, it's better to quickly add it to the inbox and come back to it later when you have more time to organize it. This allows you to clear your mind and focus on other tasks without worrying about forgetting important to-dos. The Today section in Todoist is a useful tool that allows you to see all the tasks that are due on the current day across all your projects. If you're unsure what to work on next, you can simply open your Today view and get an overview of all the tasks that need to be completed for the day. Once you've completed a task, you can mark it as done, and the task will automatically be removed from your Today view. If you're unable to complete a task for any reason, you can postpone it until the next day by dragging and dropping it to the bottom of your Today list. By using the Today section in Todoist, you can focus on completing tasks one by one until you reach Todoist 0, which means completing all tasks for the day. The Today view helps you stay organized and ensures that you don't forget any important tasks, keeping you on track to meet your daily goals. The Upcoming section in Todoist is a powerful feature that provides users with a comprehensive overview of all tasks due in the future. With this view, you can get a bird's eye view of all the tasks you need to complete in the next few days, weeks, or months. The Upcoming view presents tasks in a day-by-day breakdown, making it easy to track what's due and when. You can also drag and drop tasks between days, giving you the flexibility to reschedule tasks as needed. The Filters and Labels section allows you to create custom views of your tasks based on various criteria. With filters, you can easily find the most relevant tasks at any given moment, based on factors like their name, due date, project, label, priority, and more. One of the most useful features in this section is the Assigned to Me filter. This filter displays every task in Todoist that is assigned to you, making it easy to focus on your personal workload and stay on top of your responsibilities. Another important filter is the Priority filter, which shows you every task in Todoist that has been assigned the highest priority level. This filter is especially helpful for identifying the most urgent tasks that need to be completed first. In addition to filters, the labels allow you to group similar tasks together and view them in one list, regardless of the project they're in. This is a great way to stay organized and ensure that you don't miss any important tasks that may be scattered across multiple projects. The Projects section allows you to organize your tasks into different projects. By creating projects, you can group related tasks together and keep track of all the details in one place. When you open the Project section, you can see all of your active projects listed in alphabetical order. You can also create new projects by clicking on the plus button, Add Project. In Todoist, you have the option to close the left-hand menu to get more space. This can be done by clicking on the 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen, which will hide the menu. If you want to bring the menu back, simply click on it again. Creating a new project in Todoist is a simple and straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. First, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the plus symbol next to Projects. This will open the Add Project window where you can type in the name of your new project. You can also select a different color for your project from the drop-down menu, which can be helpful for quickly identifying different projects at a glance. Additionally, you can click the toggle to add the project to your favorites, which will make it easier to access later on. Next, you can choose the view for your project. You can either select List or Board View, depending on your preference and the type of project you're working on. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Add button to create the project. Now, if you selected the board view during the project creation, then you will need to add the sections. For example, To Do, Processing, and Done. If you want to move the project to a different location on your project list, you can drag and drop it to the desired position. If you want to turn your project into a sub-project, simply hover over the project and drag it to the left or right to change its indent level. This can be a useful way to organize related projects and tasks together, especially if you're working on a larger project with multiple subtasks. Creating a new project using a template is an easy way to quickly set up a new project in Todoist. To get started, head to todoist.com/templates. Once there, you can browse the categories to find the template you're looking for, or use the search field in the upper left corner to search for a template that meets your needs. Once you've found a template you want to use, click on the Use Template button. This will prompt Todoist to confirm that you want to import the template into your account. To confirm, simply press Use this template at the bottom of the screen. Once you've confirmed, the template will be imported into your Todoist account as a new project. From there, you can personalize the project by adding your own tasks, due dates, and other relevant information. This is a great way to save time and ensure that your new project is set up for success right from the start. Creating a new task is a straightforward process in Todoist. To get started, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the plus symbol. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can enter the task name and description. You can also choose the due date and select the priority of the task. If you have the Pro plan, you can also set reminders for the task. To label the task, click on the three dots next to the reminder option and select the label where you want to keep the task. By default, the task will be added to the open project during task creation, but you can change the section where you want to keep the task. To change the section, click on the drop-down button at the bottom left side of the pop-up window and select the destination where you want to keep the task. Once you have completed all the necessary fields, click on the Add Task button to create the task. Clicking on the task lets you add a description, subtask, and comments. You can also attach file under the comments section. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Todoist. There are more things to learn about Todoist, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.